Once again, we are back to making a video about the new feature added by memefi. So you can see there's now a new feature at the bottom right, okay, called airdrop wallet, okay, for our wallet connection. So congratulations guys, if you have been mining memefi, you can now connect your wallet. Okay, so first of all, please, I want to remind you guys that in order to boost your coin balance, always come here, click on boosters, okay, click on activate tap bots. Okay, so this is bot that will be working for you. Always use this thing, it will help you. Okay, so when we go back, you see what is happening here. So it's mining for me, do you understand? It's generating tokens for me, which I can always come and claim. After 3 hours I come and claim, and I need to add to my balance without even tapping. Then you support it with tapping by coming to Turbo here. I've done a video about this memefi before. Please check the catalog or go to my YouTube channel and look for memefi videos, okay, or go to the group. You always see memefi videos on the video catalog. So you click on recharge, okay. When you click on recharge, then you come and tap. You can see what I recharge now is 6.5. You just come here and tap it out until it reduces to 0. That's all you have to do. Okay, you do this to reduce to 0. So what we're actually here for is to, then you also come and use the second one too, this other one, Turbo. Okay, so now that we've done this one, you come here and use this Turbo also. Okay, then you click on this diamond, you click on it and begin to tap fast. Okay, so that's just the way to accumulate more tokens. These 3 things I showed you now. And then remember, every day I do drop combos, secret combos for memefi, where you have to touch some certain areas of the body like head, chest, stomach and leg, okay, in that order, depending on what the code is all about. So going back to wallet connection, when we click on wallet, connection, you guys saw where I clicked. I showed you just now. If you like this video, do well to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so when you subscribe, always click to turn on the notification bell so that you will be the one to get any information on a new video. Here when you click here, okay, you click on wallet connection, wallet connect. Okay, so now we are going to back up this phrase. Now this is our secret phrase that we need to back up. So I can always come here and copy. I've copied my secret phrase. Of course, I'm going to blur this so that nobody is going to see my secret phrase, so that you guys don't get to steal my hard-earned tokens. Okay, so after that you come and click on saved continue, meaning I've saved it. So please, now that you've copied it, go and save it on your notepad. Your phone has notepad, go and save it there. Do you understand? Save it on your notepad so you can see this is my balance. Okay, this is my memefi. So whatever I've mined will be calculated for me and deposited here. Do you understand? Now when memefi is now launched on exchange, all I have to do is to come and click on withdraw, and then it will ask me which exchange, is it Binance or wherever. So this is where we're gonna withdraw to. Okay, so you can see now we can now put our wallet address, whatever wallet address, whether it's from Tonkeeper or from Binance or from anywhere. Then we click on the amount of memefi we want to withdraw in Ethereum. Okay, and then we come here and click on withdraw, and then it will go to our exchange. Okay, so that is how we're gonna withdraw. So everything is now clear here. It's even clearer than hamster safe. You know, these people have really gone far. Okay, so congratulations guys. So please remember to paste on your notepad. So this is my notepad. As you can see, you just come, you click on plus, and then come and paste that code here. Please just paste it here and save it. Give it a name as memefi.